Artáin go minic bín go leor canta siú leis an réiteoir a ri an chluithe ach bín deis ag an réiteoir láirt leis na himnóirí agus leis na catín rih an chluithe i grinniú agus chonig mu Nigel Owens a cant leis na himnóirí agus é a chur agus a cúta bhlómh níos luaithe agus den chéad úd a díobh cluiche mud a méid a bhí le ráige sa grinniú sin.
All here? Lovely, great, okay. The only thing I've got for you is the usual stuff on the setup. The important thing is we get the stability, and there has to be the space then before I call the set. So I'll call the crouch. Then once you're down, shoulders are out, I'll move on to the bind. Then the bind has to be long, and there's got to be that space then before I call the set. And I'll call the set, and then once you come together then, and the ball comes in, then you're good to go. And as long as you're dominant and legal, then you'll get the rewards, no problem at all. Just make sure that if you do win the contest after the balls come in, then you do follow through with your legs strong underneath the body, that you don't. I've looked at your last couple of games in the scrums, and I think you've been very positive in the scrums, so I don't have any issues. And the same with Connacht as well, really. I don't have any issues with their scrums. They seem to be very positive, so if you do the same today, then there shouldn't be any issues, really. The only thing I will ask for your back row, I think sometimes your back row, when I'm calling the set, are hitting in a bit as I'm calling the set, which may be forcing you forward and causing a bit of instability. Just make sure your back row follow you in rather than push you in, really. But that's not anything concerns with you rather than with them. Okay, so just